Hello friends, I'm Depan. In this video, I'm discussing about strstr function. This function is used to search one string into another string. Okay, you so friends, I am writing header files. Okay, these are header files. Next, I'm writing main function void main void main, and writing character string size is 100. Suppose in this string variable I'm writing one string. Okay, suppose this is programming in C. Next I'm taking another variable, that is using pointer sub. Okay, sub variable. Now if sub is using string str function, str if str is string sub string is prog uh, prog, then print display the substring. Okay, this str function will display the substring of the string. Okay, so the substring $s sub gets seller say click screen, saving the file, compiling, and run the program. You can see this is the substring of the variable sub. Okay, so thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.